Major layoffs and government spending cuts by the Trump administration are beginning to take their toll as more workers lose their jobs in the various health agencies across the government. ABC's Perry Rissom has details on the people and the programs affected.
Mass layoffs are underway at the Department of Health and Human Services, some 10,000 people losing their jobs. Hundreds lining up yesterday to see if they still had a job, many only finding out when their security badges no longer worked. One former employee confronting Indiana Senator Jim Banks.
Hi, I was a worker at HHS. I was fired illegally on February 14th. There are many people who are not getting social service programs, especially people with disabilities. Are you going to do anything to stop what's happening?
You probably deserved it.
I deserved it?
You probably deserved it.
I deserved it.
Dude, that's
wow.
So rude and sad.
Yeah, that's great to hear. Why did I deserve it?
Because you seem like a clown.
The cuts affecting several agencies, including the FDA, CDC, and National Institutes of Health. Among those fired, top doctors, researchers, and disease trackers, as well as those working on tobacco addiction, mental health, and workplace safety. Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. saying the cuts will not affect essential health services, calling the plan a win-win for taxpayers. But nearly 24 states are now suing to stop the administration from slashing $11 billion in grants the states claim are needed for urgent public health needs. The funding was initially tied to the pandemic, but advocates say with the historic measles outbreak growing in Texas and a drug-resistant superbug causing concern in hospitals, the funding cuts may be a gamble not worth taking.
I was surprised and disappointed.
Local food banks also feeling an impact as the Agriculture Department cancels food shipments. $700,000 in food and dairy products no longer on the way to this donation center in Tennessee.
I'm all for trying to figure out how to fix the deficit, but this one was an impact on the needy and an impact on the farmers too.
Perry Russom, ABC News, Washington.